Welcome to Closing Bell on the 4th of December. Finally, it's a Friday. The first week of December is over, and we've got about 2.5-3 weeks left in the trading days before we see the end of 2020. In this episode of Closing Bell, I would like to speak about 5 stocks, and then at the end, I just want to give us a general summary of what I would do, what I would advise you, should I use the word advise? Share with you what you should do until the end of the year 2020 and what you should be preparing for 2021. So CIIC or CIIG arrival, the electric bus, the fancy box electric bus has gone up. It's gone up 26% today. After the short seller dip, it's come back up again. Why? Simple. Jim Cramer, really famous CNBC host, just pumped the stock again. All he simply said was, CIIC arrival is the son of Tesla. I blessed this stock at $18 buy. Guess what? Nobody cares about what $18 buy. All they want to hear is son of Tesla, and it's gone up 26%. Business is still the same. The merger has not happened, but the momentum is going up. So be precautious. Great, take profit. Great, invest for the long term, but still it'll be swinging. That's all I want to share with you with my own personal experience. Second one, Snow. Snow just IPO'd not long ago. They've got a 6 months lockup, but nobody cares. Snow, cloud computing company, is soaring 14% today. They're going up to 387. And remember, when they first started, I think it was around 180 IPO. So they're almost going to double soon, or they perhaps already have doubled. Expensive stock, but still a very young cap stock. Still a long way to go. Great year-on-year growth. A lot of story to tell. It's getting really expensive. Short sellers are going to find it really difficult to short their stocks because the value amount is so high. So anybody who owns Snow, put your hand up. Great, leave a comment below. Tell me if you own Snow and make me jealous because I own none of them. I was waiting for the 6 months lockup. Guess I was wrong. Next one, SEC Limited. They call it the Amazon of Southeast Asia. Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia. That place, great place. Now they've got their own Amazon store coming out of Lazada, Alibaba. They're up 8% today, almost hitting 200 all-time high. When I was watching them, they were 130, now they're 200. So what happened? Digital banking. So Singapore government, Singapore financing body just said, we are sanctioning SEA Limited, their e-payment. They can be digital online banks now. So now they've opened the floodgates for this innovative fintech to grow even bigger on the financial aspect. Now you can open an account without even going to a branch. Just go online and do it. And this will just create debit cards, more payments. You can get paid by salary through the banking system. It's going to grow. It's going to grow big. So that's why everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. 200, the future is for us to tell. I think there's a long road ahead of them. Finally, Lemonade up 5%. Lemonade not long ago was like down at $40. Now they're double back up. Lemonade lockup period will be coming out at the end of the year, so I can see a ramp rise up, a bit of a sell-off. So if you want to get Lemonade, just hang fire until the 1st of January or 2nd or 3rd of January. I'm sure there'll be a bit of sell-off roll-off. Perhaps 60, 65, hopefully drop at $20 and then go grab Lemonade and then go long term. Remember, they're disrupting. They want to be the disruptor of insurances. They want to start bringing bigger insurances. Now they've got trailer insurances, home insurances, car, pet insurance. They want to expand in Europe. They want to expand in many places. Their app is getting better, getting easier to use, and I'm looking forward to use it myself as a consumer. Fastly. Finally, they're hitting $88, up 7%. So I'm glad I called Fastly on the bull when they're low at 70. I don't own them, but I'm just being an independent reviewer. And Fastly is still a great company. Why have they gone up? Why have they broke the ceiling? Rumors are saying that Cisco wants to buy them out. Cisco wants to expand in CDN, and they see an opportunity Fastly with the technology, with the way they deploy things so quickly. They are looking for an opportunity for a buyout. And remember, look at Slack, buyout 30% up. So Fastly, buyout potentially will be looking $110, $120 per share. If it works out, if this buyout thing falls, Cisco say, oh, sorry, we just spread rumor, it will fall, perhaps fall down to 75. But who owns Fastly? Who believed in Fastly when it was 65, 70, and when they started buying, they started averaging down? Well done to you. Well done for believing in Fastly, and congratulations. Okay, so let me just throw this away and say final words. What I want to give you my views on what will be from now to 2020. So all I can say is well done to everyone who has been following my channel, who has been following me to buy before the election. We were buying before the election, buying at the Q2, Q3 earnings. We were buying, we were loading up, we were buying. So up to this point, I would say let's take a rest. It's December. I think you'll be a Santa rally, like I said, Santa rally all the way, and then we might see a bit of roll off after the 20th, 21st, and then it's going to get really quiet until the new year and see what happens next. Not sure what's going to happen. But, you know, just enjoy the run, enjoy the gains. It's up to you if you want to take profits or not, because you need to remember the tax that you pay. You know, is it worthwhile paying the tax? Yes or no? If you're in the UK, take profits on hyper growth stock. If not, just let it run. You got choices now. Portfolio should be in green. If your portfolio is not in green, please leave a comment below and tell me your situation, see if I can help you out. But most of you guys who followed me, your portfolio should be in green, should be in great positive territory. I am in in a good shape. So all I can say is start saving up money. You're not going to be rich from investing. You're not going to get wealthy from investing unless you got a load amount of cash. Not everyone's got enough cash every month, because we've got mortgage to pay, we've got bills to pay, we've got kids' bills to pay. So start saving up. We're stuck here in Christmas. We're not going anywhere. So perhaps save up, study up, buy good books, go online, read more stuff about businesses acquisition, about business management, about the subscription economy, things that you should load up mentally. It's time to load up here instead of loading up the stocks. So that's what I advise you to do. But one thing that I say that I am still a strong believer, and I'm still believing it towards 2021, is number one, low interest rate climate. End of the day, we're going to see low interest rate until 2021 and start of 2022. When I say low interest rate, means businesses, wealthy, rich people with plenty of cash, they only can buy three things: stocks, cryptocurrency, and houses. There's only three things they can buy potentially for appreciation. No one's going to start a business now. No one's going to buy shopping mall now. No one's going to buy cruise stocks now. So low economic people will be investing in these three things. And so if you're well invested in these three areas, well done. Yeah, we're basically like parasites leeching on these big animals so that we can climb and make our wealth grow. So make sure you've got all the cash loaded up, save the money as much as you can, do some side hustle, save up, and prepare yourself for 2021. Because it is going to be a great bull run, but I'm sure there'll be some volatility, but it's expected. So, weekend is coming up. Enjoy your Friday night. I'm going to edit and share this video. Please like and subscribe on my channel, and you know, come up with suggestion what I should do in future. But for the remainder of December 2021, 2020, don't get ahead of yourself, is I would like to share a couple ideas on, like, for example, how to sell stocks, how to watch out for the next 5 stocks. I've got a few good stuff that I need to release, so hopefully you guys bear with me. And thank you very much for sticking with me, and then have a good night, have a good weekend, and I will see you on the weekend.